Semaglutide GLP-1 receptor agonist has shown great promise in cardiovascular protection. However, its specific role in protecting against hypoxia oxidation injuries remained unclear. Our goal was to investigate whether semaglutide protects the heart cells by regulating autophagy. We used AC16 Cardiomyocytes to simulate HR injuries in vitro. We divided the experiment into 5 distinct groups. HR treatment caused severe damage. Cell viability dropped significantly. Semaglutide treatment effectively reversed this damage. Semaglutide significantly mitigated oxidative stress. It suppressed the inflammatory response by reducing IL-6 and TGF-beta levels. Semaglutide significantly reduced the apoptosis rate. Our most critical findings lies in the mechanism of autophagy. Semaglutide specifically upregulated the expression of FUNDC1. When we added the rapamycin, the protective effect was enhanced. When we blocked autophagy using 3-MA, the benefits were weakened. Autophagy is indispensable for semaglutide's cardioprotective effects. I invite you to read our full paper for more detailed data.